If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bushweed. You know my spliff them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. So first to the face, I hear the voice, I don't know, say a Kogency, but the Kogency Reacts channel. And today, we have wood green, Snypz, red light, green light. No, I'm not gonna lie, bros. I had to listen to the first 10 seconds of this, and then I was like, yeah, man. Definitely gonna bring this on the channel. But I don't remember what he said at the starting, because it was last night, replying to comments and beer things, and somebody told me to, you know, react to it, and then I had to make sure that it was, you know, at least some quality before I just put it in the playlist and do it. And when I'm even speechless even thinking about it. I can't even talk. What I heard last night, yeah, man, definitely have to put it in. But yo, is this the Snypz that Double L's always talk about? Is it? Let me know in the comments. And if so, boy, if there are any OFB, this is in this, bro. You know I don't pick sides, so I'm gonna be singing that shit, nigga. But yo, hit that like or dislike button, jump in the comments, can reply to all the comments. And let's go, gang. Yo. Haha. What are you laughing at, man?
Already know where it is.
Who is it? Tell me.
Green side.
Green side? This beat sounds sick as fuck.
Fucking bros.
Oh man.
Free the ops.
Free them. I would wanna be them. Gang.
Man get red light when man get the green light. Sure, old school friend I known since knee high. Watch on them run. You know see how them knee high. They don't want beef.
You know see how them knee high. That's why, bro. That's why. About 10 seconds, bro. It was 5 seconds into the nigga talking. You know see how them knee high. Once I heard that, I was like, definitely putting that in the playlist. Yeah, man. Any type of reference to any Jamaican thing, bro. I love it, man. You don't know, cause you know my style already. Say, yo, play it again. Pow!
Man get red light when
see
man
that
get the
green
green light.
light.
Sure, old school friend I known since knee high. Watch on them run. You know
See
see
how
how
them
them
knee
knee high. They
high.
don't want beef guys. They don't want 5 guys. Let alone 3 guys. Pull up on the block with a Glock. Shine green side run. Don't stop when it pops if your feet high.
What the fuck is what? Who is this guy? What the fuck is wrong with him? Jesus Christ. I'm there trying to be all excited about, you know, see how them knee high, and he's over here just being some type of lyrical miracle over here, bro. What's wrong with him?
Get the green light. Sure, old school friend I known since knee high. Watch on them run. You know see how them knee high. They don't want beef guys. They don't want 5 guys. Let alone 3 guys. Pull up on the block with a Glock. Shine green side run. Don't stop when it pops if your feet high.
You hear that? Pull up with the Glock, with the pop, with the free side, with the shot, with the shot, with the cheat side. What?
I want 5 guys, let alone 3 guys. Pull up on the block with a Glock, shine green side, run, don't stop when it pops with your feet high.
What?
Man get red light when man get the green light.
Is
Sure,
a hook? Fuck off. That's a hook? That's the hook? So by the time the verse reach, you're gonna have to say R.I.P. I can't make it to the verse? Jeez, my God, man. That. What a hook. Jesus Christ, nigga. I don't know where you found this, the beat and the combination of everything, but keep doing this, bro, cause this is amazing.
Inside run, don't stop when it pops if your feet high. Man get red light when man get the green light. Sure, old school friend I known since knee high. Watch on them run, you know see how them knee high. They don't want beef guys, they don't want 5 guys, let alone 3 guys. Pull up on your block with a Glock, shine green side, run, don't stop when it pops if your feet high.
Bow.
Sniper.
Sniper.
That's an original name. Commercial legend, I'll back my weapon and swing my blade. How many times have we did it on them? How many times have I walked to the loop? How many times have I walked to the O? How many times has it been 5 man, 5 waps on a ride trying to take man's soul? But it ain't outside, niggas just do home. If
What rhymes with soul? Oh.
How many times has it been 5 man, 5 waps on a ride trying to take man's soul? But it ain't outside, niggas just do home. If they came outside, come fly through cold love, bro.
Yes, bro. Niggas ain't outside. Niggas doing up home. I'm doing up home. H-O-M-E. No away games, bro. What's wrong with you?
Waps on a ride trying to take man's soul, but it ain't outside, niggas just do home. If they came outside, come fly through cold love, bro. M1 blessed man with smoke. Yeah. Full bulldog, come fly like drone. She love bad man, she want fuck with.
I heard the M1. I was like, bro, M1 is wood green. I was like, no. Hell no. Cause even M1 the ally song, you know.
In a ride tryna take man's soul, but they ain't outside. Niggas just do home. If they came outside, come fly through cold. Love bro M1, bless man with smoke. Yeah. Full bulldog, come fly like drone. She love bad man, she want fuck with the bros, reapers, greeners. 2-2 gang, baby, touch your toes. One wine on the gang, probably wine on smoke. Got smoke in the dance, I ain't talking about crow up girls in the dance. One fuck they on go. One fuck they on go. How many Ockmans get about cheated, skeeted, bust on her face, make a cream and semen. And act like it's nothing when I see them. I say act like it's nothing when I see them. Freedom. Free all my boils, I'm missing my G's, them free.
Oh, no. I had to let the beat drop, but I have to pull it up back, bro. And then let the beat drop again.
With smoke, yo. Full bulldog, come fly like drone. She love bad man, she want fuck with the bros, reapers, greeners. 2-2 gang, baby, touch your toes. One wine on the gang, probably wine on smoke. Got smoke in the dance, I ain't talking about crow up girls in the dance. One fuck they on go. One fuck they on go. How many Ockmans gal have I cheated, skeeted, bust on her face, make a cream and semen. And act like it's nothing when I see them. I say act like it's nothing when I see them. Freedom.
That's disgusting, man. And the girls that are letting him do that, you're disgusting too.
Bust on her face, make a cream and semen. And act like it's nothing when I see them. I say act like it's
nothing
nothing when I see them. Freedom. Free all my boils, I'm missing my G's. Them free Jigga J, free J, free keys. Then a free R1, that's a real life demon. Fuck if you're a baby, I'll get to feeding. I can't wait till that day I see him on my life. One know about diligence, slice man's ligaments. Barbie and bulls won't have man pivoting. No fatality or brutality when I finish him. Pigeoning, make a man fly, man pigeon him. Sicken him, if you're from there, just sickening. Every time I figure of him, man start twittering. Figure itching and gotta get rid of him.
Bro, anybody who knows my channel knows that Kogency was not going to let that slide and not pull it up.
To feed him, I can't wait till that day I see him on my life. One know about diligence, slice man's ligaments. Barbie and bulls won't have man pivoting. No fatality or brutality when I finish him. Pigeoning, make a man fly, man pigeon him. Sickening, if you're from there, just sickening. Every time I figure of him, man start twitching. Figure itching and gotta get rid of him.
Alright, in the last song we counted how was it YF or DZ? Rhyme their words. We're gonna count this one too.
No fatality or brutality when I finish him.
No. So far the nigga started.
About diligence, like
Jesus Christ.
day I see him on my life.
No, we're gonna count.
One know about diligence, slice man's ligaments. Barbie and bulls won't have man pivoting. No fatality or brutality when I finish him. Pigeoning, make a man.
And then fatality, brutality, that's two different rhyme patterns right there. So in putting, you have to pay attention to those things, you know.
Slice man's ligaments, Barbie and bulls won't have man pivoting. No fatality or brutality when I finish him. Pigeoning, make a man fly, man pigeon him. Sicken him, if you're from there, just sickening. Every time I figure of him, man start twittering. Figure itching and gotta get rid of him.
From the man beat YF and DZ, man with 13 times. Jesus Christ, man.
Sickening, every time I figure of him, man start twittering. Figure itching and gotta get rid of him. Man get red light when man get a green light. Your old school friend I known since knee high. Watch on them run, you know see how them knee high. They don't want beef guys, they don't want 5 guys, they don't 3 guys. Pull up on your block with a Glock, shine green side, run, don't stop when it pops if your feet high. Man get red light when man get a green light. Your old school friend I known since knee high. Watch on them run, you know see how them knee high. They don't want beef guys, they don't want 5 guys, they don't 3 guys. Pull up on your block with a Glock, shine green side, run, don't stop when it pops if your feet high. I am him, what the fuck they doing? Yeah, I'm way too original. And there's no man straight to him. They want chat to me, you can't chat to me, yeah, that's CC to him. And no, they can't do it how I do it. And yeah, I got poked by a nerve, but I didn't hit the dirt, cause he didn't want to do it. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, I got poked by a nerve, but I didn't hit the dirt, cause he didn't want to do it. And gave him a half-hearted ching, man. Well, at least he's keeping it real, though. I rate that way more now that the song is amazing and he's keeping it real. That's crazy.
Can't do it how I do it. And yeah, I got poked by a nerve, but I didn't hit the dirt, cause he didn't want to do it. And I know a couple man from back in the day, they ain't bad, better mind what you doing. Anytime someone dead, that's a touchdown. Little bro just creep and come with a dot, slap that to the 5-pin bust out. Feed lit to the whole thing done now. 90, let's go, me moving like trucks now. Anybody make a move, get chopped down. Come like them boy, they forgot now. Nigga must have forgotten, cause this whip ain't foreign. I pull up, niggas whole pound drop him. You know bro got white like Bossum. I can't trust no gal like no. One come woods on one stop.
Man's using the S on I am at.
Drop him, you know bro got white like Bossum. I can't trust no gal like no. One come woods on one stop popping. But us wood green boys get homage. I can't rate girl I come from where the up is.
No way. What was I listening to today? And I said, no way. Yeah, I love that still. No way.
But us wood green boys get homage. I can't rate girl I come from where the up is.
No way. But that's not her fault, bro. She can't choose where she was born. Snypz. At least get the sweet ones a chance. You know what I'm saying? But no, a true thing. Hey. A true thing you talk about Snypz. You understand? If you're from Woody, you understand? Low the farm girl, them low people. You understand? Loud mall girl them. You understand? Boy. But let's continue. The song done. I wanted the song to continue, bro. I wanted this man to give me more flows and bars, bro. God damn. This was mad. His hook, his verses, flows, bars, 10 out of 10. What? You said, oh, the first time you listened to it? Bro, what you want me to do? What do you want me to do? He wasn't off beat, off time. He never give us no idiot bars in the song. He didn't like just put in lines just to fill anything. Or maybe if he did, I never feel so. I feel like every line had a purpose. You know what I'm saying? And then he rhymed that fucking syllable 13 times. That's mad. That's mad. And then he even had different rhyme patterns inside while he was rhyming the other. Listen to me now, man. There's certain things that I really can't break down into explaining because I'm just going to be here for a very long time. But yo, when you guys listen to it, tell me what you think about it. You know what I'm saying? Because I honestly rate this 10 out of 10. No joke. Swear to you. There's literally nothing wrong with it. What's wrong with it? There's no video. Okay, so 8 out of 10. But that's not the song. The song is a 10 out of 10. And then... Alright, for now, the song is a 9 out of 10 until he does a video and then he'll get 10 out of 10. So yo, hit that like or dislike button, jump in the comments, reply to all the comments. And yo, yeah, check this out and let me know what you think about it. What about check it out? You just watched it with me. So let me know what you think about it in the comments, you know? Kogency and Kogency channel. And I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Yeah. Girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah, need, yeah, girl.